Apa? Ah, udah punya nggak itu? Itu apa emangnya?
Bucket truck.
Bucket truck?
Open it. Open it.
Apa?
Open it.
Open it. Open it. Like this.
Not yet.
What behind this? Ooh. It's the garbage truck. What is it? It's tow truck. Bucket truck. What is it? Whoa! Is it a bucket?
Yeah, the bucket truck.
Ooh.
Wow!
Ayo, buka.
Don't need a screwdriver.
No need apa? The screwdriver.
Yes. We can use our hands.
Okay. Alright.
It's hard. So it's hard.
Deng deng deng. Ada baterainya nggak? Nggak ada. Nggak ada sound or lighting.
No. Oh, look, it also has a flashing light.
The flashing light. Can you turn it on? Cannot.
And the doors cannot open.
How to operate the bucket truck? Whoa! So higher. Huh. Higher or highest? Higher. Whoa! You can put people on there. Is it cool?
Tap on animal stuck on here. It can rescue the animal.
What?
Trees. It can rescue the animal.
Okay.
It's a bucket truck. And it can lift up.
Okay. Good job.
Can lift up. But I don't know where the door. There should be a door somewhere. For the people to come in. But this is the anyway.
There is no door.
Yes.
Maybe this one. No.
That's the controls.
Oh, that's the controller. How about this?
No.
Maybe people will jump in.
I'm gonna just climb in.
Yeah, climb and jump in.
Climb.
Oh, gitu. I think climb and jump in.
No!